it's very important to have a vision, a long-term goal in mind, and while you're working on that goal, you have to make your entire team of your startup a part of your goals. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are shooting yet another day in my life as an architect, as an entrepreneur. The main concern of today's vlog, it will revolve around startups. I started this company around 5 years ago and I know the hassle of starting that startup culture and coming up to the expectations of everyone. So yes, you're going to be a part of my day. Let's get this started. What is one thing that keeps you motivated all the time? Because whenever I have come to the studio, I feel that everyone is just giving more than 100% for the growth of our company. So yeah, I would like to start with Mahima. Mahima, what's that one thing?
Seeing our dreams turning into reality keeps me going.
Your inspiration
I am an inspiration. Oh my god.
and energy.
So that is, I think, startups are more about the vibe and about the culture that you give. Designing is a part of it, right? So yes guys, we are here to do a review meeting because as you all are aware, at the end of every week we statistically represent the performance of both the teams. So generally I feel startups are more about that how you can present your design in a better way to have that competitive spirit, to keep you motivated. Now I feel competition is a very healthy competition when we look at our company. So I feel guys that startup culture certainly has an impact on the operations of business. Like when you're working, why do we make teams? Like right behind me we have team A and B. Why? Because we want that there should be such healthy competition amongst you and you come up with great ideas, your designs should be cutting edge. That's what I expect from all of you. And the kind of culture, the kind of support system that we give to all of you is because we want the mutual growth. It's not just the growth of the company in monetary terms, but it's the growth of every individual who is sitting here. So, although it's nothing to be disappointed though, but I would like that if you want some structural changes in the company or you want that we should change the process, I'm very open to discussion about that.
Simran, I'm ready with the exterior and the site plan and also the exterior mood board and the elevations. What have you done for the interior mood board? Please explain me.
Yeah, the interior mood board is also almost ready, and here I have given the spring fountain as a water body.
Yeah.
And
This
these
one,
are,
no?
yeah.
So I would like to tell everyone here that this is our upcoming restaurant project, and the beauty of this design is that it's planned in a water feature. These are all floating kind of setups which we have given in the water body. So now we have already through with the initial stages. Today we are going to discuss more about the internal zonings of this plan, followed by the functionality and how we wrapped up in one theme of it. So yeah. Tell me the change. I liked it.
So this is the elevation.
So this is the elevational aspect.
So we had the elevation mood board.
Okay.
So from that we came up with this.
Like you took some
Yeah.
of the inspiration and you're coming up with this.
Yes.
I feel everything is perfect. Mahima and Simran, everything is fine. Just work on the elevation a bit more.
Yeah.
Because in the next meeting, we'll be through with the elevation. The client, once the client comes in, we need to give them all the plans and the elevation and start working on the 3D views. Now
Yeah.
it's the time for that.
Yes.
Yeah, that would be. So guys, you must be seeing that we are filming a lot of content, but it's like just to give you an insight of how it is to be a woman in business, to be an entrepreneur, at the same time an architect, interior designer, and running this own firm, Space 5 Architects. So yes guys, today's vlog was more about a successful startup culture, right? So I feel that startup culture is something which means you are creating something based upon your values, something which defines you. So yes, if you are planning to have your own startup, you can just keep these pointers in mind. Be prepared that there will be ups and downs, but you need to have that environment and culture that can stand up. So guys, if you liked my vlog, do hit the subscribe button, and if you really liked it, then you can share this vlog. Till then, ta-ta!